Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I wish to thank you for giving me this opportunity to explore my skill in this presentation. And my topic is about web development. Since it is my ever favorite topic, I give first priority and take it as my first presentation topic. I assure you that you won't get bored. And before entering into the session, uh, I wish to show you the content that we are going to see in this topic. In this, we are going to see about web development and front-end developers, front-end development technologies and applications, front-end, back-end developers, back-end development technologies and applications, full-stack developer, and finally conclusion. And what is web development? It is nothing but building and maintenance of the website, in which all the work happens behind the scene. Web development plays a vital role in this software field. Without it, we can't imagine any of the app, websites, web pages, or any other scenarios. It has majorly three types: front-end developers, back-end developers, and full-stack developers. If you want to be a good web developer, you must know JavaScript, HTML, C++, Python, Java, C, and CSS, AngularJS, etc. Okay, let's move on to the front-end developer. It is one of the user interface that straightly communicate with user and the browser. For real-time example, let's take Gmail, Google, whatever the web pages we are using nowadays. It is completely done by front-end developers, and it is more demanding nowadays. If you want to become a good front-end developer, you must learn or master in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because HTML provide a framework or structure of the web page or website you are creating, since it is directly communicate with users. And CSS, it is used to create innovative, interesting website or web pages. And JavaScript, it plays major role in or mainly used by the front-end developers. For example, if you want to open your mail, you just click on Gmail and you will put your mail ID and click next and put password and click next, and you will be reached to the mail page. How it all process is done? It is completely done by using JavaScript language. So these three languages are majorly used by the front-end developers. By looking through the technologies and applications, it is mostly used in web application, mobile application, web browser extension, and etc. And these are the major role for front end, since it is user interface, experience, production and maintenance, responsive design, real-time programming, software workflow. These are the main role for front-end developer. As you all seen in this image, this is one example for front-end developer, because it communicates the browser and the users. Backend developer, it is a completely a server-side application and which cannot be accessed by the user, since it communicates between database and the browser. And if you want to become a good backend developer, you must know Java, PHP, .NET, VB, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and etc. For real-time example, we can take YouTube. If you are searching for something like Python tutorial, how the related videos are receiving in front of under the topic that we searched exactly correctly. How this is completely done by backend developers, since it communicates with the database and the browser. So if we put any searching topic, it links with the database where all the data are stored, and get what we want will be shown in the browser. This is done by the web developer, backend web developers. By looking through the technologies and applications, it supports front-end user service and interface with the required resources, and it cannot be accessed by the users. It's a part of computer application, and it plays major role in between one and only server, database, programming language, and API. Okay, hope you all understand about front-end developer and back-end developer. The front-end developer is the communication between browser and the user, and the back-end developer is the communication between database and the browser, not with the user. Let's move on to the full stack developer. Full stack developer is somewhat complex than front-end developer and back-end development since it involves both the web developers. Stack means division of layer. Then full stack means division of layers of websites. And it doesn't have any own languages because it is an amalgamation of languages. Do you think it requires you to cover a lot of skills? Obviously, yes. If you want to become a good full stack front end developer, you must be mastering HTML, CSS3, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js. If you want to become a good full stack backend developer, you must learn in Ruby, Java, Python, PHP, .NET. Like that, if you want to become a good database full stack developer, you must know MySQL, MongoDB, CouchDB, MS SQL. Like this version control full stack developer, you should know these languages, and project MGMT tools, you must know these. And by looking to the advantages of full stack developer, it reduces the cost of the project and time used for team communication. It provides help to team members. And the disadvantages are the solution chosen can be wrong for the project. Solution can be generate a key person risk, and being a full stack developer is increasingly complex. And at last, we came to end. Thank you all for paying attention